Hello YouTube, my name's Light Malloy and today we are reviewing a special set of earbuds. What makes these so different? Well, first, they're a luxury. How do you know it's luxury? When the box gives you a tabby thingy and you pull it like this. Ooh, this is luxury right here. You got a little window, that's how you know it's luxury. But what draws these away? Well, they got the headphones. No, they got the controls on the side. They come with a case. You can use your bloody voice with what? You can use your voice. Let me raise the microphone up. You can raise your voice and control it. You can go play music, which play music and resume music, a little different depending on what device you're used to. I'm used to a Alexa, so different. But you can go resume music. You can go next song, previous song, answer call, denied call, and they're adding stuff. They're adding turn up volume and turn down volume. But this is nice because I can use my voice. Say I'm using my hands and say I'm across. Well, no, I'm using my hands because you do have the headphones on you do have a control device on the headphones, so you can't go, you can't go next song up and down, but these are nice, and these are like some of the nicest earbuds I have ever used because they open and they close, and they're not like a tight fit on the ear thingies, and plus they look real sleek. And they come with a controller, and they're great, and I love them. And they come with multiple ear tips. Unlike the other ones, the ear tips are pretty easy to pop on and off. But they come with a case. The case is nice, and they do fit actually in the case. I love it when you get a pair of headphones that you're able to fit in the case in a lot of different ways than the way you're supposed to put it in. I want to cram the thing in and be willy-nilly, and it fits in my pocket nice, and you have the name. And I love it. hs-3. And the one thing I hope they add, other than the volume up and the volume down with your voice, is in a way, I love it, is if you can get an app to run on this thing, and I can talk, and it texts messages, like I can, like you hit the voice icon and whatever I say, like Dragon puts it in. Because I'm a person with dyslexic and I can't spell worth crap. So if you put that in my headphones, it's like it is the famous meme from Futurama. Shut up and take my money. Shut up and take my money. You get that feature to work on the phone. On any headphone, it is shut up and take my money. I hope they can put it on this one or another one. Say like this is the this is the hs-3. If you put on the hs-5, it's shut up and take my money. I need that in my life. So I can sound intelligent, so I can flirt with girls. Or in this case, message a girl, so I don't look stupid. Get me flirting with girls, that's dangerous. I want to text my sweetheart and sound intelligent, so I don't have to type and I don't have to use other things. So when I build my computer and she wants FaceTime, I can be like end call, text message this person and fix it. Or honestly, I have the ability to just deny the call, so I'll take that too. But I like these headphones. Just the sole fact I can use my voice. I'm getting so used to my Alexa that I don't have it. It's sad because I can't willy-nilly yell and the thing does the thingy. Like if you could get it to like work with other apps, like say like not necessarily this model, I would love it to, but like the next model is you can get it working with like other smart home devices. I can control my bloody lights. Light on, light off. This is stuff that headphones in the future needs. But let's get back to reality, not the list. The hs-3, the way they sit today. Do I recommend them? Okay, this is where we get in the caveat. They are premium. They are expensive. Do you want the feature to use your voice? If the answer is yes, then yes, you get these. But if the answer is no, I think it's a gimmick, or I do not think it's worth this, then maybe just think about life without that function. I can remember a time where I didn't have my Alexa, where I had to type the music in. In this case, it's I had to go search on my phone. Now, granted, you cannot say Pacific song. Not yet, at least. But, you know, say you're running. If you could just say next song instead of like screwing with the thingy. You know, there have been sometimes I have been running to review headphones where I almost ripped the thing out. I'm not a jogger or a runner. That would get Mick annoying. I'd be like, next song, previous song, play music. It's so nice. Or say like I go to the bathroom. I do this more than what you think. I go to the bathroom. Next song. Or you taking a McDookie. Next song. I really do like these headphones. And I do like the case. And unlike the other cases, is this one actually will fit in my... I'm used to getting cases that look like this. They're like big and square. Oh, hello, people! My pocket is not big and square. It's like a circular for my hand. This fits in my hand real nice. I can probably shove my phone and this beside it. I really like these headphones. They get my recommendation. The only con I guess I can put is right now it has almost everything I want. Icing on cake would be turn up volume, turn down volume. Okay, that's the icing. And then if you want to put the cream filling and the Reese cups on it, you let me use this in an app where it can type itself out. But as today sits, the hs-3, I hope I pronounced the name right, OG Jim had the H3, the hs-3 OG Jim wireless headphones. I like, and they get my recommendation. No, you wouldn't use the voice command ever. You wouldn't be on the bus going to see your sweetheart and be like, next song. If you're that guy, man, stay in your pajamas. Like, please don't go in public and be like, next song. If you're jogging, it's a little bit different. But if not, just use the in thingy, the on controls. Plus, one up that. And they're real easy to pair. I do like these headphones. They're nice. And they fit in my ears pretty good. Now, these are my everyday headphones. No, I am not going to take these to work. Because, say, I go to the dishes and I wash these. They're pretty expensive. I'd be heartbroken. I'd be like, I'm all wet and my headphones don't work. I am now wet and sad. We don't want wet and sad lightning at work. I'm saying these things in my head. So do not have your day wet and sad. At least be wet and happy. If we learn nothing else from this headphone, the hs-3s Jim are good and do not be wet and sad. Please like, comment, subscribe. And if you made this far, put I am not wet and sad. These will make you wet and happy. Oh. Oh, Jim, if you're watching these, make me. I can't even say. You get the joke. Oh, have a lightning-full day. Oh, Bobbers. Oh. Oh.